Alright, today we're doing dividing integers. Alright, the rule is the same for multiplying as yesterday. When we have the quotient of two integers with different signs, it's negative. So different signs, opposite signs is always going to be negative. So we have negative 10 divided by 5. Okay, all I do is I look to see what my answer is going to be first. They're opposite signs, so my answer has to be negative, and then I work it out. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Okay, 10 divided by negative 5. Even though the signs have switched, they're still opposite of each other. So my answer has to be negative. 10 divided by 5 is still 2. Right, Gage? 10 divided by 5? Yes. Yeah, okay. Alright, write this down. Negative 35 divided by 7. The signs are opposite, so my answer has to be negative. Okay, 35 divided by 7 is 5. So negative 35 divided by 7 is negative 5. 64 divided by negative 8 is negative 8. Alright, write down this rule. Okay, the quotient of two integers, so the answer of a division problem with the same sign is positive. So same is positive. It doesn't matter if they're both positive or both negative. The answer is positive, just like yesterday. Same sign is positive. So we have 48 divided by 12 is 4. Negative 48 divided by negative 12, still 4. Okay, same sign, always going to be positive. Alright, write this down. Alright, so I replace y with negative 3. Place x with negative 6. I multiply and divide left to right. So I'm going to multiply 12 and negative 3, which is negative 36. Negative 36 divided by negative 6, positive 6. So if I was to say, well, find the average of the class, we would take everybody's score, okay, we would add those up, and then we would divide by the number of people in this class, okay? So some of the numbers, we add up all the scores, then we divide by the number of numbers. All right, what you need to do is need to write what I underlined, 7 days, these 7 temperatures, and you need to find the mean temperature. So let's find the mean temperature if this is the wind chill of 7 days. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all of these. Negative 6 and negative 5 is negative 11. Negative 11 plus 2 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 10 is negative 19. Plus 1 is negative 18. Plus negative 9 is negative 27. And then negative 27 plus 6 is negative 21. We divide by the number of days. How many days? 7. Okay, so what is the average temperature? Negative 3 degrees. Easy. Here's your assignment.